Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about this drone that I basically have right here. So I've been using this drone for quite some time now. So this drone right here is the Mini 3 Pro, and you're wondering if you should still get the Mini 3 Pro even though the Mini 4 Pro has came out just the other day. So I've been using this for quite some time now, as I mentioned earlier, and I'm not thinking about upgrading just yet because some of the features of the DJI Mini 4 Pro is basically slightly different from the Mini 3. So if you're using the Mini 3 Pro, it doesn't mean that you have to upgrade as yet, because there's still some great features, and I think that there's not much of an update. The only update I think worthwhile is the Omi sensor. That means it can basically sense the sensor 360, so you basically can see right around now, so you can go sideways and those without having to basically crash your drone very easily. So if you're a great flyer that fly your drone and not go into any obstacles, I think this can still be a perfect choice, because all of the other things that basically are some minor changes. And I'm just gonna talk like now about the controller. What they have improved is the RC controller. I think they are now adding some antennas right here, which basically give you a better signal, which is really great. I'm impressed with that signal. Also right here we still have these batteries, which works well. So this one right here is the 249 gram, which is the lightweight, which gonna bring it under the weight right here for the law. In certain countries we have a law of 250, which just under. So I'm just gonna power it up right now, guys, to basically see how it's still working and the function of it right here. I've been using it for quite some time now, as I mentioned. So as you can basically see, this one right here, I have flown this couple times and I'm basically getting perfect at it. Understand? So right here, as you can basically see, this right here is sensor, and it have a 1.7, which is really great. And this right here is the aperture, which give you that great function in low light. As you can see, it is 24 megapixel camera right here inside, which is great, guys, and I'm loving this drone so far. So I'm just gonna put the battery inside, and hopefully, so this is charging case right here that can basically use to charge it. Now with this case right here, it can only charge one battery at a time. So for example, if you have both batteries inside, it will basically charge the one that has the most amount of charge, and then you move on to the others, so it wouldn't charge everything at the same time. So I'm going to use this one right here because this one has more battery power. So I'm just going to plug this inside, so make sure that it's in the correct position right here. And this right here, guys, this is where you put the memory card. This is where you can charge it, which is really great right here. So under the back right here we have these. So these are the joystick. So I'm going to screw these on. And the thing about these are basically easily to lose, so you must be careful when you basically screw this on, because you don't want them to fall out of your hand and might last if you're in any tight situation. So I'm just going to press and turn on it right now to let you guys see that the DJI logo comes on when it basically starts. And I'm going to press this button right here, and it basically comes on as well, as you can basically see, guys. So guys, as you can basically see, it's on right there and it's connected. You can see that the camera right there showing, which is really great. And these are some of the functions on it right here. We have the map, as you can see right there, and this is basically a touch screen. Now when you press this button right here, you can see the camera angle change. We have some button on the back and those things, guys, and press it to get it back up. Yes, so this is a joystick right here. Now to basically start this, you have to press this like this, turn it down. I don't want to have anything inside the way that's gonna damage the propeller. So we'll do like this. You can press OK. You can start our drone right there. And as you guys can basically hear, this drone right here is one of the silent drone. You can read more information online. The noise on this drone right here is not really that loud. As you can basically hear, I'm literally inside right now, and the drone is very silent guys. And I've flown this quite a few times, and as you can see right there, we have obstacle avoidance on right there, so it's saying downward. So we're seeing some things right there. So the controller guys feel pretty neat, as you can see. So I have to get quite a few shots out of this, which is really great. So I want to talk about now under the controller right here. So you can see that we can charge it right here, and right here we can use memory card slot, or we can add a mic. So if you have a DJI mic guys, you can basically plug it in. So if you have a DJI mic, we can basically plug it into this right here, your mic, and we can use a memory card as well into it. So if you want to do some screen recording and those things onto a drone, we can basically do it with this right here. So as in terms of the flight time on this right here guys, this can last you up to 48 minutes with the plus batteries, and it might go up to 34 minutes with the normal battery right here, which comes in it. So this is the plus kit, so you can basically get this with the extra kit, which include the bag. I'm going to show you guys the bag right now. So this is the bag guys that it basically came with, which basically can pack your drone inside, your extra batteries and your controller inside, fit perfectly. And here we have some other compartment as well. So right here is the compartment, so we can have our extra propellers, we can have our USB cable for charging and those things. So this is basically an update of the drone right here guys. I've got some great shot with this drone right here. You can basically check out my vlog channel. There is where I post most of these clips when I'm doing my vlogging, so you can basically subscribe to that channel if you want to see more of these stuff with this drone right here. And yeah, this is basically an update video of my drone guys, and it working quite fine. It's superb, I love it. And the battery life and the control as well, I must say I love it as well. So if you guys thinking about upgrading to the Mini 4 Pro, it's not really basically a massive upgrade. So if you're coming something like from the Mini 3 or from other lower version, you can think about upgrading. But if you're coming from the Mini 3 Pro, it's quite fine. It still can hold up against it, because you have all these sensors on it guys, and it works really well, which is one sensor right here, obstacle avoidance, under the bottom right here, and at the front. All thing we have don't have is to the side, which is perfectly fine if you can fly the drone really well. So thank you for watching. I hope you find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.